Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of July 18th through 24th. And I use this planner strictly for work. So it's a very simple, quick plan with me. And this week I will be using some stickers from, this is from the Happy Planner. I can't remember which sticker book it is because I ripped it out and put it in my thing. But I'll be using some of those as well as some of this deco from the Eliza kit from Let's Plan It. Let's get started. I said Eliza, but it's Eliza. My sister's name is Eliza, and that's why I chose this kit for this week, because it's actually her birthday on the 23rd. And most people say Eliza, but I say Eliza. Her name is Eliza. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. So first thing I want to do, the pen that I will be using this week will basically be the Pelican as well as the Sailor Pro Gear, because this still has the what's it called? The Urameku Itazora. And I think that kind of bluish gray would go really well in this. I haven't used this in a couple of days and it's still writing pretty well. Did I just write Thursday on Wednesday? Oh my gosh, I did. And I don't know how to come back from that. Oh well. I don't even really look at them. Oh, that's awful. And then Tuesday, the Pelican has Sailor Urameku Yoi in here. Wow. I can't believe I did that. The thing is, though, you can barely see it. I'm trying to tell myself that. You can barely see it. So I'm going to grab my ruler and just draw the line straight down here. This is how I separate my meetings from my to-do lists. There we go. And this is really the perfect size for me because I use this section for notes, meetings, to-do lists, and I leave this open to decorate. Okay. Oh, that sounded a lot more perky. Decorate. My voice isn't always like that. Although saying that, it's funny because, you know, when you hear your own voice in like over the phone or anything like that, I think I sound much higher pitched than I think I do. I don't know. Anyway, so let's put this floral down. And actually, I mean, I like, okay, I guess you're going down there. I don't want to rip that up. Oh my gosh. And then the yellow. Oh, I really like that. Simple. And then I'm going to place, I really like the yellow, but I also like this blue. So I'm going to place this blue up here with a smaller floral. Kind of like that. I think, yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll put this down and then just like so. And then I will put one of the peach down there. Oh, I really like that. So it's a good balance of everything. I used, what, 6 stickers and I'm already done. Main character energy. I'm just seeing if I have that anywhere else. No, I'm going to put that in my cousin's spread. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and fill in my meeting. And there's the overall finished spread. I totally screwed up which line goes with which pen and which color, but you know what, I don't really care. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you for joining me for this very quick plan with me. You're probably wondering, what was the point of watching this or filming this? And really, it's about creating something that doesn't take a long time. You don't need to spend a ton of time decorating your planners in order to have something really nice that you really like. So that's the point of these very short plan with me's, is that they're still functional, but you still create something within a short space of time. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.